Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you some information on my upcoming online card class for October 2024. In this class, we will be creating 5 beautiful handmade cards. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in one of these upper corners, or you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com, for more information. The link is below in the description box. During this class, we will be creating 5 handmade cards with 5 different watercolor wash techniques, which will give the cards beautiful backgrounds. This class can be created with any stamp set. Look through your sets, see something maybe you already own that you think will work with the colors and layouts. I think images with trees, flowers, snowmen, anything like this will work best. I will be finishing the cards with the Shepherd's Care stamp set. Let's take a look at the cards now. Here are the cards we will be creating for this class. Each of these cards show a different way to create watercolor washes. Some of the techniques I will be sharing are smooshing, layering, splattering, salt, plastic wrap, and lifting. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a fun class with great techniques. This class will run Monday, October 28th through Friday, November 1st. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. There will be no bonus project made in this class. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or you can watch the replay videos at your leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, October 14th. There are only 2 weeks available to sign up, so register as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 5 5x7 sheets of fluid 100 watercolor paper, 1 roll of very vanilla baker's twine, and a full package of druzy adhesive backed embellishments. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock as well as the watercolor paper and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the embellishments or twine. You will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live and can be watched through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the project for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDFs sent to your email, so you can complete the projects at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want to choose a stamp set. And again, I'm using the Shepherd's Care set. And then I'm also using this gorgeous Peaceful Season dies for the labels. And I love these labels, but you could also use any other label die or punch that you might have on hand. And then when you're looking for a stamp set, if you're not going to use this one, just keep in mind the earthy colors that we'll be using. And if you want to change the colors, you are welcome to do that as well, just depending on the stamp set that you've chosen. So the colors I'm going to use are Misty Moonlight, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso. I also have Balmy Blue and Old Olive. And you may want to consider also having the refills, the ink refills available in those same colors. Sometimes you can get a stronger, darker watercolor effect if you use it from the ink refill rather than from the ink pad, but I will show you how to do it with both. So you don't need to worry if you don't have these. That's okay, you can still make the cards, but if you do have them, you'll want to have those on hand if you want something a little stronger. And then we are doing some heat embossing. I have both the white and the gold heat embossing powder. And so to do that, you'll need your Versamark, your embossing buddy, as well as a heat tool. And then because we're watercoloring, we do need this StazOn black ink so that we can watercolor over that without it bleeding. And then if you're interested in getting these watercolor, these are the water painters. They have these bladders that you can put water inside and then squeeze out, and you can watercolor with them. Or you can just use a watercolor brush and a cup of water. So again, that's up to you if you want to use these or have maybe use what you already have on hand. Here are the tools and adhesive you will need. You will want to have your paper trimmer, your take a pick tool, bone folder, paper snips, and a good sharp pair of scissors for ribbon. You will also want to have your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and that is mainly for the labels. And so if you're not going to use dies for your label, then you don't really need these, or at least this product. You could use a punch, or you can either just use your paper trimmer to trim them down. You'll want something to clean your stamps, so I love the Simply Chamois. And then of course you're going to want your favorite adhesives, such as Terran tape, mini glue dots, liquid adhesive, Stampin' Dimensionals in your choice of size, and then a Stampin' Seal if you prefer using that adhesive. And then of course any coordinating clear blocks that work with your stamp set. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.